He's gonna go up right there. Another one.
What the heck? Oh, my word. Holy
You getting them?
Yes. Oh, my goodness.
Oh.
And can you believe?
You get a good picture, don't you?
Yeah.
Video?
Yeah.
Oh.
I had no
Where's the
idea.
other one at?
He's in the water over here now.
Where at you?
By the ball. Kind of by the... He's coming up to that mooring ball area now.
The other one's still up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shaking off. Okay. Waiting for it. Oh my gosh. That's not a very far distance, and we were just in the water. That is massive.
I had no idea that they could be in the water like that and swim like that.
Okay, this one's going along the shore here. Oh my gosh. Where's the other one? Is he still coming along?
Yeah, he's still coming to the shore.
There he is. Oh, I'm sure that's what we heard earlier.
Yeah.
Where did this one go? He went off up into the trees.
Here, the other one's coming out of the water there. Shaking off. Is he smaller?
Yeah, I'd say a little bit smaller. Where'd that one go here? Oh, there he is. Back up. Up and above the tree line now.